Alright, this is a video to show you all you need to do to log in and be counted as present for the day. So I want to show you a video showing you what you need to do to be logged in as counted as present, and this only takes less than a minute to be counted as present for a day. So I just want to prove to you it's very simple. It's something everyone should be able to do every day regardless of anything you got going on. Really, you should be able to log in, hit this button. Everybody has at least 1 minute to do this. So I want to show you how you can do this to be counted as present. This does not count towards your grades or your classwork or anything like that, but it does send me a notification in the system that you logged in that day, so I can count you as present. If you don't log in, I cannot count you as present for that day. Okay, so I want to show you how simple this can be and how long it takes. So let's start with our stopwatch. You can go to a new Google tab. Now I already have my login saved in Google right here and as a bookmark right here. If you don't have that, you can go to the Chesterfield County School District website. Click here, go to Students, Launchpad, and then you can log in from there if you have to do that. Okay, so I have mine here. I'm just going to already have my info logged in. This is a demo account. You click login, you click launch. Wait for it to load, and then choose your most recent lesson. And then you'll be counted as present for the day. We can go back to our stopwatch, and I wasted a bunch of time there, but we did this in 50 seconds. This took 50 seconds to do, and you were counted as present for the day. As long as you click on a lesson, it lets me know that you logged in. Okay? So I hope this helps everybody understand what you need to do to log in. I hope it shows how simple it is to take 50 seconds to do this, okay? Alright, and coming this week is going to be some very fun videos for students who have logged in every day. I have not been able to do videos for the past week, but I have a special surprise I've been waiting for, and I wanted to get that up and going first, okay? So, if you logged in for the past few weeks, you will be getting extra videos as well. But I have a series of 3 fun videos that I wanted to do for my students. Alright, thank you. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Remind.